It's been raining for a good half hour now, but I'm loving it. Woo! Woo! Hey everyone, it is the Natureman, and thank you for tuning in to another Natureman Adventures. I'm so glad you were able to come along with me today and be out here in the woods. Now, I know I've said this so many times when I get out there, oh, it's predicted to rain, thunderstorms, all that kind of, well, checking the forecast today and on my way, definitely ominous clouds. Now right now it looks like we're in a lull of the weather pattern for thunderstorms. You can see behind me we have that sunlight, which is really nice. But when I arrived here setting up the tarp, there were sprinkles of raindrops falling. So I wanted to get everything set up so I was dry for the day. Okay, should the rains come, which I think they will, this will offer me that protection to stay relatively dry, and then afterwards breaking things down on my way back to the car, which is not very far, you know, it will be what will be. Wow. I was just trying to get my work area set up for the cooking of the food, and all of a sudden it just started to pour. I love it, folks. I love it. We absolutely have rain on the tarp today. That's awesome. So we get to see how well it's going to perform. Much better than the last time I was here. Now the sun's come out again. Alright folks, so I finished my delicious lunch today. That spaghetti was absolutely delicious, but it is getting darker. So the weather report shows for the next couple of hours, rain, probably heavy downpours and thunder. Alright folks, it is showtime. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. Let it pour, let it pour. It's been raining for a good half hour now. I've been out here relaxing, enjoying this rain. And this is like the heaviest is coming down now. So hopefully you all can hear me. But I'm loving it. Woo! All right, before we get another downpour, folks, let me show you how the tarp is held up. As you can see, so it's held up very well. I did reconfigure the tarp a little bit and move the trekking pole to the center, attached to the tree over there, and then I lowered this side. And as you can see, she's done very well. Oh yeah. So I'm very happy with the performance of this tarp. So yeah, you can see there's a little bit of crease in there, but that's perfectly fine. That's normal. That's going to happen. But guys and gals, this is what it's all about right here, right in front of us. This beautiful view. Simply amazing. I will catch up with you very soon. I'm going to pack up pretty soon, get out of here. Hope you've enjoyed this adventure today out in the rain with me. As always, folks, get dirty with nature, enjoy every moment of life, and I'll see you very soon.